morning, students. Today is Tuesday, 18 August 2020. You are welcome in class 6, 10 PTV, Unit 12, Numerical Optics, that we have already completed this chapter. And today the topic numerical problems. Yesterday we worked on first and second numerical problem. Today we are going to solve 12.3 and 12.4. We will solve only those numerical problems that are mentioned in SMART syllabus. This term that you may have come to know about the SMART syllabus due to the long holidays. The government education department has reduced the syllabus. So according to that reduced syllabus, only few of the topics and few of the numerical are mentioned, and we will learn only those topics and numerical problems. So yesterday we solved 12.1 and 12.3 2, and today 12.3 and 12.4. Now I'm going to start to read the statement of numerical problems 12.3. Please, everybody have to focus. An object and its image in a concave mirror of same height. That the height of image and object is same. That height of image hi and ho, height of object, both are same. P, the distance of object from the mirror is 20 centimeter. When the object is 20 centimeter from the mirror, what is the focal length of mirror? Magnification. In this case, the magnification I have one old version with me, that in this question we have to find the nature of mirror also, that what kind of the mirror is there, that to find the nature of the mirror, that it means we have to tell that whether the mirror is concave or convex. So it is very clear from this that when the image is formed behind the mirror, it means that we are using a convex mirror, the diverging mirror. So it is very clear. So at the end you will have to write also that mirror is of convex or concave. But from this it is very clear. So again we have to find the focal length. The focal length of this diverging mirror. Again the mirror formula, that is 1 over f is equal to 1 over p plus 1 over q. By placing the values, 1 over p 34.4 and 1 over q minus 5.66, plus and minus sign will multiply and we will have minus 8. And to simplify it, first we will remove the decimal points. By removing the decimal point from 34.4, 10 will become here and the decimal will be automatically removed from this. Likewise this was 5.66 and now 100 over 566, and by simplifying all these, taking LCM, and we get this 1 minus 14370 divided by 97352. Again to simplify and calculating, we get focal length is equal to minus 6.77 centimeter. Thank you and God bless you. Boy, I think that you have understand how to solve this question, and hopefully we will have to see on Thursday. Wednesday is off. 10th PTB class Wednesday is off, and on Thursday we will be able to see each other again. Thank you and God bless you. Have a